today want to put up the box wire. Yeah, some walls have been dug, made up a setup, but before that went to do some metal fabrication on the metals which were not properly done. This is our quality dust. Yeah, our box will be a 30 by 20. Yeah, that gives us about 600 square meters. Yeah, so this is it. Oh, this is the chicken run, but very soon to be done. Once lofted, the production will be up and running. Yeah, so this is the place. Trying to do a goat's resting place where they will be exercising the exercising yard. So this is one other metal bar. These they will anchor the wire. Yes, even this one will anchor the wire. Should be a very good adventure. I look forward to the future. We know everything will be history. This is another one what to be set, so we need to dig another one there, another one somewhere here, so that all the four legs can sit in. Yeah, so this, but very soon this, the one you can see with the blue lining, the goat's pen will be demolished. We'll put up something better, a good structure. As you can see, this is it. Yeah, pretty awesome.